So we at the Mom's place. The box can't fit in the Civic. Ronald just messaged me too.
Yeah,
but it's late, so I'm like, all right, we're ready here. So we're gonna unbox it right here. Finally, we're gonna be installing a catback for a fucking 2SS. He already has headers on it, so now we're gonna see what it sounds like with the catback. See if that bitch roars or what. All right, let's open it.
15 minutes later.
What's up, fucking vlog?
Yo,
It's that review guy. Yeah, it's that review guy. Yo. Oh, that PPC meet. Look at your ass. I'm gonna get you in there. God, the wind's probably fucking up. All right, so we're gonna go to a PPC meet. Started at 5. We're already late, but no big deal. So we rather show up late than never. But yeah, here's the cars being rolling map. All right, so we showed up to the meet. Squad up. Alright, we'll walk around. Damn! Sure. Oh, what's up, dude? What's going on? How are you?
Yes, but I don't fucking know. I thought it was a water pump.
What the hell is that?
The water pump looks like it's got a little spot on there.
Oh, the whistle. My body 350. What's up?
The following day.
We jacked it up last time, so now we're gonna hear the old car start of the stock exhaust. Not bad. That's still loud for a stock exhaust though. Is that open valve?
Yeah, open valve.
Alright, open valve. Alright, here's the revs. Alright. Parkour. Alright, now we're gonna put the exhaust on and see what's up. Alright, so
That's the reason I started doing it.
So what I learned on this stock exhaust, so you get the middle bracket off the way. Here's what it looks like. This is 14 mil, you take it off. Bolt these clamps. So the main thing to get this thing off is mostly get an exhaust remover hanger tool and remove all the hangers. And the main thing that's holding it is inserted to the header, which be your catalytic converter. And there's a bracket behind the bumper that we have to get to. You don't have to take out your bumper for it. It's just, you have to look up and it should be there. But we're gonna try to get the rest of the hangers off and we're almost done. All right, so now we're getting off the NPP, right?
Yeah, MBRP.
Yeah, got one side. So you can get a ratchet on both sides, but you will need a hand wrench to get the other one off.
Yeah, there it goes.
Ah.
One more.
You get it. God damn.
We'll just keep it like
All right, stock, aftermarket. You can tell big old delete. I think I have everything laid out.
Yeah, basically it looks like this.
Yeah, they'd be good. The big difference is the magic is in the muffler, which is this.
Thousands of tears later.
Finally got it done. 3 hours of torture. Dude, that's a lot louder than open headers. All right. That's good. Dang. That's out, huh? That's only at 2,000 RPM? Fuck. Alright, let's see what's
good.
Yeah, I guess so. Alright. Oh shit! Dude, this is awesome!
Fuck.
Dude! I don't remember your boss doing this aggressive now.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's fucking awesome!
Oh my lord.
The fucking look, the exhaust does. Oh, this is lit. I know you smiling happy as hell right now, boy.
Bro, this is fucking insane.
She's in hella hurt right now. Fuck yeah. Oh my. Dude, they're gonna hate your ass, bro. Fuck. Alright. Overall, there's really no drone in the back. I mean, because your seats, the seats will cover it, but it's not too bad at all.
Not too bad.
No, and besides, all the noises in the fucking back. It's not like fucking JDM was where like all in the inside. Oh, he got that American VTEC, bro.
Naturally aspirated.
I swear. Well, we're done with cars. Now we're just eating. Yeah, Devon doesn't even care about exhaust. Devon's like, it's too fucking loud.
We already had a convertible Camaro rev at Demon.
I'll insert a clip now.
Oh, it's a.
But yeah, that fucking Camaro. I don't know, that V6 RS dude. Old man, huh?
It's cool.
Yeah. Oh well. Well, we're gonna end the vlog here. 3, 2, 1. Bye. Wait. Bye.